aircraft from the 106th Rescue Wing of the New York Air National Guard. The two aircraft, the C-130 Hercules, an airplane that has been in production longer than any other military aircraft in the history of aviation. And on behalf of the commander, Colonel Michael Bank, the 106th Rescue Wing is happy to be here at Jones Beach.
again.
The 106th Rescue Wing is located right here. Excuse me, sir. Your guardsmen are your friends, your neighbors, your compatriots, your co-workers, and their primary mission is personnel recovery. We serve by the motto that others might live. And on the wing of that C-130 is the HH-60. Now, they are not the standard